Hi, Susan just sent me this video, and it's one of those things you just zip through on Facebook and bibbity bobbity boo, in 15 seconds you've got this terrific looking meal. They don't tell you, or they don't show you, all the stuff that goes into it beforehand. And I'm not going to either. But I want to try it and see if it really is as easy as it looked, because it was half scrambled eggs with bacon and cheese and half grilled cheese, and it was just like all my favorite things all put together in one thing. And it is about lunchtime. So I got 2 pieces of bread, and what they didn't show you on the video is to make sure your 2 pieces of bread will fit in the pan flat. What they also didn't tell you is make sure when you put it together, you put your butts together like this. Don't put it in like this, because you're going to have to fold it later. So I've already done some of the prep, so you didn't have to stay here very long. I've got 2 pieces of bread, 2 pieces of bacon already cooked, 2 pieces of cheese, and 2 eggs that I have scrambled. I also have a pan on with some butter in the bottom. I'm waiting for it to get hot. All right, first they put the eggs in the pan. Then they put, oh, see, I've done it all wrong already. Okay, then they put the bread in and flipped it over so it got egg on both sides. And then it cooked. And see, theirs was cooked instantly. This is not. So now we're just going to have to stand here and wait until it cooks, because they know how to edit, and they know how to cut things out, and they know how to put it all together, so it only takes 15 seconds. And I have to say that I don't. Maybe when we all get back to school, somebody would volunteer to teach me how to do all that, and then we wouldn't have to sit through these long videos where absolutely nothing is happening. But I also realized I don't have any utensils to flip this with. I could amuse all of us by just trying to flip it all at once, but instead I guess I'll get a spatula. I don't even have any jokes. I don't have anything. Silence. Silence is gold. Oh no, my cameraman is saying don't sing. Fine. Okay, this looks set enough, so I'm going to give it a shot. All right, maybe I'm not. Yes, I am. You know what I'm going to do? My spatula is not big enough to get under there, so this could be a mistake, but yes. Okay, so you flip it over however you want, and then you put a piece of cheese on each piece, and then you take your bacon and only put your bacon on one. I figured this out. And then fold your corners in. That's where the omelet part comes in, I guess. And then fold this over. Now see, theirs was magically browned when they flipped theirs over. Maybe I should have left it there longer. I don't think so. Oh, that's not so bad. So here's where the grilled cheese part comes in. So actually, it looks like a grilled cheese with a bacon and cheese omelet inside it. It's sort of like a croque monsieur, but without ham. But bacon's better than ham. Okay, I think this is going to have to do. For one thing, I'm almost drooling. All right, I think it's time to check this out. I could have let the cheese melt a little bit more, but oh my gosh, I think this is going to be delicious. Oh my God. It's hot. Bye.